Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. A super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the fuses relays for the diesel glow plugs are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. We'll be working in a hidden fuse box that most people do not know that even exist. Do not waste your money on parts and tools until you watch that video. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. And for the glow plugs guys, let's explain what you can expect to find the fuses and relays. Come, we will show you on that generation Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes all over that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we guys need to do now, we need to open the hood. Now guys, here there will be, you see the main fuse box is right here under that cover, okay, but we need to come to a different fuse box that people do not know practically it's there. You see where the positive jump starter terminal is located here, remove that cover and underneath you're going to find, okay, the positive jump starter terminal. But now here guys, if you look on the back side, you have many cables going in and out. That's integrated per fuse box. And what we have here, okay, you're going to have a fuse box, but there might be two different possibilities. If you have guys, okay, the diesel glow plugs, most likely you will have that kind. So before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test the relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. For the diesel glow plugs, what we will need to check guys, you see how the fuses are numbered. We're talking about fuse number 2. This is the main fuse that most people do not know that it's even there. Other fuses that you might need to check is for the CDI control module. That controls the glow plugs as well. If you don't know where these fuses and relays are located, we'll have the video on the channel, but this fuse number 2 is the main fuse for your glow plugs. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.